Namaskaram. My name is Asha Prabhakaran and I stay at Kochi. Telling you about this meditation, I got to know more about this meditation through the internet. You always come across a situation in life where you search for things which can appease you, try to tackle your problems, help you in these things. And I was searching for one such uh, outlet or a platform. That's when I called Supriya ma'am, a beautiful person, a very wonderful person who guided me through this meditation process through her classes, and it's really done wonders to me. It's like within days I came out of the problem that I was in, and today I am a person with much more clarity. I really regret that I couldn't get into this meditation process, which is called the Anapanasati, before I was in a problem. Why do we wait for problems to happen and then think about meditation? Why not prior to that? I would request every person to come and join, because that's more important. That's when you will not be, you will have a freedom from so many things. The fear of death, the fear that what's going to happen next, whether you are in a financial trouble or you are having problems in your relationship. Through this meditations, everything gets clear. It's like just you have a question in your mind and the answers are obvious, because there are many masters who help you in this. That is only, you learn about it only if you practice that meditation with a lot of faith in it. And I'm really fortunate, like my master Supriya ma'am says, when you are ready for this, you come into it. And could be that is also true. And I think much more than this, there is a lot more to explore. You go on evolving as a person every minute, I should say. You are literally, today I'm not scared of anything, what will happen uh, tomorrow. And I think the biggest fear in our lives as a human being is death. We always scare death, and that's why we have a scare for death, and that's why we always have this kind of tensions in your life. Death not only about us but about our close ones. It's always like this, that someone dies in another family, we say okay fine, we feel sad for some moment, but then when it happens to you, you come to know the emotional pressures or how it affects you. Same with me. When it attacked me or when it came into my life, I understood what is it to, face death of a person, of sudden death of a person. And this meditation has helped me to come out of it. I have suggested this meditation to so many of them, and they've all told me positive results about it. We need to, you know, help many people to come and join us so that we can guide them. It's like everybody coming together becomes so much positive. When our master takes classes for us also, it's the same. We come to know how positive it is. Because it's not just guiding you in many matters. All thanks to Patriji, who started this, who taught us all this. And it's really wonderful. It's so simple. Because I have been into meditation, the other process, the normal Patanjali's meditation processes, but this was something different, something very simple, but the results immense. It will, I don't know how to explain that. You really need to practice and understand it yourself, then listening from me. So I would compel each and everyone who's listening to this, please be very disciplined about your practice, and I'm sure you will find results. It is just not that you just do it for half an hour or you just do it for about 20 minutes and then you expect results of what others are saying. No, you need to practice whenever you get time, and you will see wonders happening. You will see things happening. You don't even need to think. You don't even need to understand there is a problem. It may get solved immediately, because there are angels, there are masters who are helping you with this. So please be very diligent about this, think about this, and see that you all learn this process. I'm very thankful to all the masters, to gods who have put me into this process, and all the souls, those who are helping us through this process. Thank you so much.